And it's a wig. And it's a LuvmeHair wig. And lady, when I tell you this wig is the bomb, baby.com, it's the bomb. Today I am reviewing another LuvmeHair wig. There's Afro Curly Undetectable Glueless Lace Wig. You guys, this wig is so beautiful, so curly, so full. I mean, the curls are so soft. Like, and this is an 18-inch, and girl, look how long it is. Like, it is just so beautiful, like, and it takes a good while to dry. Like, it's very full, very curly. This is the ultimate beach wig. Like, summertime, spring break is coming. Even though COVID, I know a lot of us just aren't in spring breaking mood, but for those who are, and my ladies that want to look cute, and I know a lot of us are going on vacation, Puerto Rico, Florida, or any kind of beach, Myrtle Beach, whatever beach you go to, this or island or cruise if that's still happening. But this is the ultimate wig for the springtime and summertime look. Summertime is curly hair season, and when I tell you ladies, this would be the perfect wig for curly time season. When I say look at it, like, it's full, it's drying, so as you can see when it dries, it swells. So this is definitely for my ladies who love big hair. Big hair is so pretty to me. You can do something with it. You know what I'm saying? It's big, but it's cute. It's not big and everywhere and messy looking, which the messy look sometimes can be cute. But like I said, this is the Undetectable Afro Curly. Into these curls. Yep, Afro curls. And again, the more you manipulate your curls, the more they will get bigger. For those who are really afraid of big hair, the more you play with this hair, the bigger it gets. I did not pluck it at all. I would say this would be good for beginners. All my beginners who like, I can bleach it, but I just really don't know how to pluck. I don't want to pluck a hole in my lace. This would be great for you because you don't have to do none of that customizing part as far as plucking it. And really, you don't have to bleach it, but for me, I like for my knots to be a little bit more blended, so I did bleach it just a tiny bit, not a lot. And as you can see, my wig is really melted. It's really melted, like, you can't even, like, yeah. So, it don't move, it won't go nowhere, but this wig, before it's all sold out. When good wigs come along, they do not stay on LuvmeHair long. So go ahead and get this Undetectable Curly, Afro Curly Don't forget that part. Undetectable Afro curling lace wig. I didn't even have to cut any layers or anything. I didn't have to cut a bang. You can see the bang would be really, really cute with it. Like, but no, I didn't cut a bang. I didn't do anything. I just bleach, blow dry my lace, and put it on. So go get this wig. I get up close so you can see the curls. Like, it's very pretty, very pretty.
Really quick, this is how the wig looks when it is all the way dry. It's very beautiful. Throughout the video it was a little still wet, but this right here is the hair all the way dry. And again, this is the 18 inches. So ladies, you know shrinkage is real. It goes for wigs, but when I tell you big hair, shrinkage, and curls, yes,
Go shop LuvmeHair. LuvmeHair every time. Yes.